Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Lost Ark not opening. If you want to fix it, click here and then type enable Xbox game bar, turn it off. Maybe we'll find it like that, then turn it off, and after that go to Windows Update Settings. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then go back, go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates. Now just install latest update for your graphics card and go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling. Restart your computer and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.